A few administrative things. I just returned to you guys 2 quizzes that were from last week. One was a prereq quiz, and one was a definitions quiz, like a statistics definitions quiz. By and large, you guys completely crushed the definitions quiz, the stat quiz. I think the average was 10 or a 9.5 out of 10 out of 10 on it. The prereq quiz, though, was interesting. It was, like the mode was a 10 or a 9, but it went everywhere from like 2 to 10 as far as the grades go. And I think a lot of that is just refreshing ourselves, like what percentages are, what fractions are, what decimals are, and things like that. I think that's what was slamming people. So the other class said, why don't you make a second prereq quiz? So I said, okay, I will. So what I have to do is I have to get in and upload this. For whatever reason, this thing didn't upload right. I made a second prereq quiz, a second primer quiz. I've got it due for Thursday. For whatever reason, it didn't upload to the server right yesterday when I uploaded it. So right now, if you look at this week, there are 2 quizzes due. The second one is the same one as the one from last week. And I apologize, I don't know what the hell happened. I uploaded it, and it didn't refresh. So I will go fix that as soon as class is over, or I will fix that. So you will have a second primer quiz ready to go for Thursday. And here it is, I'll show it to you real quick. This is what it looks like. It looks almost the same. It's convert to a decimal, write this as a fraction, make this 2 over a whole number to be as close to possible as 30%, evaluate this using your TIs, blah, blah. I made a video to explain that Excel thing I was talking about, the text to columns. I made a video that you can link to if you want to go check that out, and then so forth and so on. So I'll have this uploaded in about 3 hours. It'll be ready to go for you guys. I don't know what the hell happened to it. It got lost at some point in the upload. So I'll fix it for you for Thursday. Anybody that went to that quiz on Thursday this week, it's showing the same quiz as last week. Apologies, I'll fix that. Okay, that's first thing. Administratively, what's going on this week, there is a project. That's not your, oh, and look what I did.
Yeah, see, I did that one.
Yeah, sorry, don't do that one. Do that one. Oh, Jesus, you did that. Something happened yesterday. This got copied over from here.
Yeah, it's not the same.
No, this is, yeah, son of a...
So that's the wrong one there?
The wrong project, yeah. This quiz is fine. While I was working yesterday, the system had a bit of a... And this is supposed to be the basic probability one that was been posted for the past 2.5 weeks. Got corrupted and replaced with the 105. You did this one, didn't you, Robert?
Well, I looked at it and this one, oh shit.
That's okay. You should have. That's exactly the thing.
Okay.
I'll fix it at the break. The hell with this. I'll fix it at the break. I'll run up at our break and I'll fix all these links so they point to the right thing. It's supposed. Just so you know, generally, your guys' day mirrors this one. Those guys on Monday and Wednesday do the exact same thing as you. I don't know what the hell happened. This whole thing got corrupted from my upload yesterday. So, did anybody, Natalie, you did that project? Turn it in if you got it done, and just make sure you do this and understand it. Okay, you're awesome. I apologize for that. I know, and I won't until when? I won't until Thursday. Don't worry, I won't need to until Thursday. Okay. I will fix this at break though. I will fix that at break. Apologies. Now, also administratively, I started uploading videos yesterday, or maybe it was a couple days ago. If you go to your homework sheet now, you go to the Intro to Prob Stat homework, which I know we've already gone over, it was last week. When you get to it now, you'll notice that certain problems are linked, hyperlinked. Those now have video solutions, so if you click on that, and your browser is up to date, it'll go right to it. If it's not, you can press play, and you'll actually get right to a video of me working the problem for you. And you can see solutions.
Here's a
And nice and loud. There you go, nice and loud. So anything with blue has a hyperlink solution. What I did was I only worked video solutions on ones that didn't have solutions in the text already. So now everything, whether it's my problems down here, or the book problems that have solutions, or the ones that have video solutions, everything has a solution now. And I think after I fix all the goofy link problems, because something else happened, I'm realizing now how much went wrong yesterday uploading. The 244's links got corrupted in the uploads. I don't know what the hell's going on. Something happened between like 4 and 5 yesterday with these uploads. I'm going to stay on top of this. If you look at the central tendency homework, which is what we're going to be going over today, first thing, there was no need to make any videos for these, I believe, because they were already all worked. I believe. Now that could be wrong. That could be wrong, and if it's wrong, I made the videos and the links didn't show up, which I will check when I go upstairs too.
Okay.
I will check. Something happened in the upload process and these files got corrupt. Let me show you. In the 244, on theirs, I just uploaded, I think it was this population proportion one. And there's a link here that's just not visible. And there's a homework section that's gone. So I don't know what the hell happened yesterday. I know I've said that like 5 times now. But it really pisses me off because I spent 4 hours creating all this stuff. And in 3 seconds of upload, Microsoft once again ruined it for me. So I'm a little pissed, but I will get it all fixed for you guys at the break. I'll go figure out what the hell's going on and make it all work. But anyway, what'll then happen is when you go to your homework sheet for Central Tendency, there'll be some links here for problems that'll be worked, that have videos that exist. I mean, I have a YouTube channel called Collaborative Statistics, COCC Math, where all these videos are in, and I know 2 of these exist, because I know I worked this one at least yesterday. So, regardless, they exist, I'll have them linked for you guys, you can get to them. I apologize for not one right now, but like I said, I wish I knew what the hell happened. I would have fixed it already. So, okay, doke? Making sense? Alright. So I'll fix the quiz, I'll fix the project, I'll fix all that stuff, get everything worked out. Jen, go ahead.
So the new primer quiz that you're putting on there, is that going to replace this
Yeah.
training, or is it going to be additional?
Well, it's going to be additional.
Okay.
So it'll eat up whatever happened on that one, it'll gobble it. And trust me, right now, that quiz might seem like it dinged your average a whole lot. By the end, as long as you don't keep replicating 3s and 2s and 4s on quizzes, it's going to be meaningless by the end of the course. So I'm just going to keep packing in quizzes. And I'm going to add more. If I can do it, I'm going to keep adding in more of them.
Okay.
I mean, just because all it does is it packs your average in, as long as you do well on them. That's kind of the key, is doing well on them.
Well, and then also I wanted to know what number 5 was on
Yeah.
the primer quiz.
What number 5 was on the primer? I don't know what number 5 was on the
It
primer.
was the percentage of what numbers were above 50 or...
Okay, so rather than answer that, Jen,
Okay.
rather than answer that, on the new quiz, which you can't see because it's not linked right yet, but check this out. I used the exact same data set,
Okay.
but I'll tell you what, I'll improve your experience when you do it right. Thanks. This video shows you how to do that text to columns thing.
Okay.
So it shows you how to select the text, drop it into Excel, and then sort the data. I think the problem was, it's very easy to miscount.
Yeah.
And Amber docked your points if you were off even by 1%.
Okay.
So what this will do is alleviate the need for you to have to go through and actually manually count them
Right,
all.
and I'm like...
I know, that's what, let's see, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Yes, allow it. Yep, there it goes, text columns 2010, I walk you through how to do it.
Okay.
So it's pretty much what I showed you in class last time, but it's a video explaining it. So.
Okay.
Cool?
Cool.
So that it's not really an answer to your question, but you can also then, once you know how to do that in Excel, go back and do the last quiz again
Right.
and see what it's supposed to be. You're probably off by like 1 or 2% at most.
Okay.
Fair enough?
I guess so.
I apologize for the frustration of these links not working. I seriously apologize for that project. It was fine for 2.5 weeks, and then in one brief 5-second period, it gets replaced by the wrong one. That's kind of annoying. Actually, that's more than kind of annoying. That's completely annoying. So I'll fix it. Like I said, I'll fix it at the break. We'll get up there and touch everything up for you. Okay. Woo! Holy crap. I'm exhausted.